Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report a malicious comment on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have your messages. We have the plus button where you can go, of course, and check out put some of your stuff. We have the Explore and the For You page. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and report a malicious comment on Likee. Well, first of all, you cannot report a comment directly. You can go and report the profile that put that comment in. So basically, for instance, you see a picture, you see a comment, you go in there and you can check it out, check out the person out there. Likee allows you to report offensive and inappropriate content, comments or whatever, or block another user within the app. You can do this by going to the user's profile and clicking the arrow in the right-hand corner. You can report abusive behavior and request removal or inappropriate content. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.